again. This is our clear glue. Ooh, yeah, we're gonna be using the borax, the water. Oh, it's clear glue.
This guy is super fast.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one came out fast. And what are you gonna be doing with this one, Maya?
We're going to be putting this glitter.
Ooh,
It's
those
a little tiny
glitters.
bit. This is cooling.
That's awesome.
I wish this could be done.
All right, just put the top.
I'm skinny on it.
It's okay. Just put it on.
Alright. And then next we're going to be putting the whole water.
Okay.
And then putting one whole teaspoon. This much?
Yep, that's good enough.
Mix it. It's good.
And what do we have to make sure that a parent is around?
I need someone to mix it.
Let's see, we're gonna be mixing with Maya.
Where's
You guys have to wait until it gets clear,
Where's
Maya
the
says,
mix
right,
spoon?
Maya?
Where's
There,
my-
it's right there. In front of the cups.
Oh.
All right, let's keep mixing. You gotta be careful.
Go.
Well, let's see. We gotta keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing until you guys can't see any more borax. So I'm gonna keep spraying a little bit. Almost there, almost there. All right, looks like it's good enough. All right, and what are we gonna be doing next? Wait, no, we have to put the
Glitter on this.
Yeah, go ahead on the glue.
Choose
You got purple right now,
correct.
so we're gonna be using all the colors. All right, that's enough of that one, and then we are going to be using next. Ooh,
Blue.
how do I move it?
You twist it. There you
Oh yeah, blue. All right.
go. Here we are. Blue. Oh,
That's so glittery. All right, next.
is it pink?
Yeah, it's pink.
I think this is. Oh yeah. This.
You guys see all the colors? Ooh.
It's spreading around. Look at it.
Yeah. And then next is
Yellow.
orange.
Oh.
All right. And next would be
Green.
green. Doesn't really want to come out. There we go.
Green.
Yep. Ooh, look at all those pretty awesome glittery colors.
Yeah, we're going to do like glitters around this. Until the ends.
Last color. Yellow.
Yellow.
Ooh, did you see? All
And now
right.
I don't have to put.
All right. Right now, you are going to. All right. Let's just see. Oh, wait.
No! Why do you do that?
All right. I'm sorry. I was just mixing the blue with the purple.
Alright,
Look at
I
that,
do?
guys.
What'd
It's
I do?
awesome. All right, borax.
And then mix it.
A little bit more. More. Good.
Now can I mix it?
Let's see. All right.
Now?
Yep, let's go ahead. Wow.
Look how pretty it is. Oh my gosh.
I told you were gonna mix it anyway, right, Maya?
Yeah. Look at it, guys.
Wow. Let's see. Let's see.
Press those parts.
That looks awesome, Maya.
It does. Press some parts.
Yeah, well, well, keep doing it. Keep doing it. Wow.
It looks like there's not clear slime anymore.
It's glittery slime.
Call it clear slime, glittery slime.
What do you want to call it?
Shining in the bright star.
Shiny bright star slime. All right.
I love it.
Wow.
It's so gluey.
It's still gluey. All right, let's pour a little bit more.
I think that was too much. Isn't it, guys? You guys say no.
I think it's coming out.
It's like an Orby slime.
Yes, right?
Because like the
You
glitter.
know what? Next time we should make a clear glue with Orby slime.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Comment below.
Yeah. And how about like sprinkle slime? Like, you know how you sprinkle things on the cake? We're going to use real sprinkles that we use to make cakes.
Yeah. So comment below if you guys want us to be doing it. All right, remember you have to play around with it. So it's time to get dirty with our hands.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh. Oy.
Oh, it's so pretty. Guys, look at it. Wow.
Guys.
Oh, yeah, you gotta keep playing with that one. Oh, look at it, Maya.
I know.
Wow,
This
that
one's
is
getting
awesome.
lovely.
Ooh. You gotta keep playing around with it. Ooh, 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 ooh.
More clear? More cleary?
Oh, wow, look at my hands. They're so sparkly.
You wish your nails were sparkly?
Ooh. All right, do we have to keep pouring a little bit of borax in there? All right, let's keep pouring borax.
Guys, comment right below. If you want me to make more slime, just comment right below. Come on.
Ooh, I think it's coming out.
Yeah, it is.
It's so much fun.
See how the stretching.
Wow.
Look at the big hole. Can you guys see?
Guys, I am literally scraping off this little container. Look at that.
Give it back.
I
and slime.
love it.
This is not your slime. Guys, if you want slime, just tell me if you want me to make more slime to give to you. If I don't like. This one is like.
Oh yeah, it's
pretty.
coming out. Keep mix, keep playing, keep playing. Ooh. Look at that. Keep doing it, keep doing it.
Guys,
It's coming out.
this is like super sticky. I think you need a little bit more.
No. I think you have to keep playing with it.
This is a little bit sticky. Just put it on the slime.
You want a little bit more? I think it's a... Alright, let's see. Alright.
So is under.
Alright, keep playing with it.
Yeah, borax.
Okay, sorry for the camera being moved around. I'm trying to help her get all the stickiness off.
Yeah.
Oh, I only got my finger, a little bit of my fingers dirty. But Maya has her whole hand.
Dirty.
All right. Keep mixing.
I want to make more slime.
Just keep mixing.
We can make more slime because the blue one has more.
Yeah, but we have to wait.
Guys,
All
I
right.
want shaving cream. I want shaving cream.
Play around with it.
I want shaving cream,
Let's
guys.
see.
Shaving cream.
Ooh. So rubbery.
Guys, that was a big thing, wasn't it?
It's a little rubbery slime. It's
It's kind of like a big oily slime. Look at the job.
It's so fun.
I want shaving cream now. Can you put shaving cream in it?
I think we could put a little bit of warm water in there.
Yeah. But I want shaving cream. Can I put shaving cream in it? I need shaving cream.
Oh yeah. We'll see. Look at that. Ooh, look guys. Keep playing with it. Nice. Look guys, this is how you make slime. Well, it came out like a little hard, but if you put a little bit of warm water in there, trust me, it'll come out perfect.
Let's take a slip.
Yep.
Ugh, slime glue is on me. It's sticky on me.
You just have to put a little bit of warm water, so give us a minute.
Hi guys, this is how to turn out
Yeah, we put a little bit more warm water on there. So
And
it
guys,
came out so
guess
nice.
what? The water was like slime.
That's so nice. Let's put it down. Let's see. It's awesome. Hope you guys liked it. It turned out like slime, just a little bit harder, not that slimy. But it's so much fun, guys. So remember to like and subscribe. Give us that big thumbs up. And if you have any questions or anything to say about this, comment below. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.